Ever imagine transforming a minimal amount into a vast fortune? It's a narrative not merely about wealth, but about resilience, strategy, and mindset. In this episode, we're going to delve into how ordinary individuals can start from zero and climb their way up to financial freedom. It's more than just earning, it's about crafting a secure future and realizing dreams. We're here to guide you through actionable strategies to achieve financial independence, tailored for anyone battling debts or striving to amplify their savings. Time to transform your financial path, and yes, your future self will surely be grateful. Understanding wealth beyond the surface. When you think of wealth, do you picture lavish lifestyles and luxury cars? However, true wealth is about financial freedom, the liberty to make life choices without the weight of monetary stress. It signifies maintaining a lifestyle without constant work, or having a safety net of savings for tranquility. Let's bust some myths here. Many believe that wealth is reserved for the privileged or lucky ones, an exclusive club for those with an inheritance. This mindset is a barrier to true potential. The reality is wealth building is accessible to everyone. It's not just for the fortunate few, but for those who embrace a proactive mindset and take deliberate steps towards their financial dreams. Wealth creation is about informed decisions, living within means, and smart investments. It's about patience, discipline, and a readiness to learn and evolve. Remember, your current financial status is not your endpoint. With the right approach, turning nothing into something substantial is not just hopeful thinking, but a tangible reality. The mindset shift, building the foundation of wealth. The foundation of wealth is not the starting amount, but the mindset. A growth mindset, seeing challenges as opportunities and understanding financial literacy can be developed, is key. This journey is a marathon, not a sprint, requiring patience, persistence, and a focus on long-term goals. Consider J.K. Rowling, who went from living on government aid to becoming the author of the globally acclaimed Harry Potter series, or Chris Gardner, whose real-life story from homelessness to millionaire was depicted in The Pursuit of Happiness. Their experiences underscore that with a growth mindset and perseverance, changing your financial trajectory is possible. A significant mindset shift is transitioning from consumer to creator, spender to saver, and investor. Viewing money as a tool to grow, not just to spend, and prioritizing saving and investing over mere consumption is vital. It's about making money work for you, setting the stage for financial proactivity rather than reactivity. This change in perspective is not just beneficial, it's transformative. So, are you prepared to alter your financial mindset? Are you ready to adopt growth, patience, and persistence as your new principles? Because that's where the true journey to wealth begins, not with a specific dollar amount, but with a transformative decision to think and act differently. Principle 1. Master your money. Controlling your finances is your first monumental step toward wealth. Begin with budgeting, not just tracking your spending, but ensuring every dollar has a purpose, aligning with your vital needs and financial goals. Visualize budgeting as assigning each dollar a critical role, be it for living essentials or bolstering your savings. The importance of an emergency fund cannot be overstated. It's your financial lifeline for unforeseen circumstances, shielding you from spiraling into debt. Start small. Aim to build a fund covering 3 to 6 months of expenses. This isn't about massive immediate savings, but consistent, gradual accumulation. Managing debt is equally pivotal. Prioritize eradicating high-interest debts, particularly from credit cards, as they can severely impede your financial growth. Employ methods like the snowball or avalanche techniques to tackle your debts efficiently. Understanding the difference between constructive and destructive debt can significantly enhance your financial well-being. Principle 2. Escalate your earning. True wealth building transcends mere cost-cutting. It's equally about amplifying your income. Upskilling enhances your market value, potentially unlocking doors to better-paying opportunities. Embrace side hustles or online ventures for additional revenue streams, pivotal for transforming your financial scenario. Investing in self-improvement and diversifying income sources cannot be overstated. Like a well-balanced portfolio, multiple income avenues provide a safety net, empowering you to manage debts, save, and invest more effectively. Principle 3. Save to propel, not just to preserve. Savings alone won't suffice. It's what you do with them that counts. Step into the world of investing to convert your saved dollars into growth vehicles. Whether it's stocks, bonds, or real estate, informed investing can substantially elevate your financial trajectory. Commence modestly, and as your knowledge and confidence swell, so can your investment stakes. Principle 4. Harness compound interest. Dive into the extraordinary world of compound interest, where your assets generate more assets, setting off a chain reaction of financial growth. Initiating early maximizes this effect, but it's never too late to start. Consistency and patience here are your allies, allowing your investments to snowball over time. Principle 5. Cultivate winning habits. Long-term wealth isn't just about strategies, it's deeply rooted in habits. Consistency, discipline, and avoiding impulsive spending are pillars to building and maintaining wealth. Elevate your financial literacy continuously, as staying informed is key to navigating the evolving economic landscape. Remember, the transition from knowledge to action is gradual but imperative. Start implementing these principles gradually, paving your way to financial liberation. Embark on this journey today, one step at a time, toward a future rich in possibilities. Overcoming obstacles, navigating the path to wealth. The path to financial prosperity is riddled with challenges, but your approach to overcoming them can define your success. Feeling overwhelmed? Break down your financial objectives into smaller, manageable goals. Celebrate the minor wins. They accumulate into significant victories. Encountering losses or bad investments? Embrace them as educational opportunities, not failures. Analyze and learn from these experiences to refine your financial strategies. Staying motivated can be challenging, especially during slow periods or economic downturns. Maintain focus on your goals, regularly revisiting the reasons behind your financial journey. A support network of like-minded individuals can offer immense value, providing encouragement and sharing wisdom. Remember, wealth building is a marathon. Embrace patience, persist through the ups and downs, and stay committed to your financial education. By continuously adapting and learning, your financial goals are not just dreams, but impending realities. Conclusion. Let's pause for a moment to digest the journey we've embarked on today. We've navigated through crucial wealth-building principles, transforming your mindset, mastering your finances, elevating your income, understanding the essence of saving versus investing, and unlocking the exponential potential of compound interest. Beyond these strategies, we underscored the significance of cultivating robust financial habits for enduring success. The breadth of this journey may seem daunting, yet recall that every monumental journey initiates with a singular, modest stride. Whether it's crafting a budget, initiating a savings plan, or delving into investment basics, the key is to ignite the process. Dismiss any trepidation about beginning. The quest towards financial autonomy is one truly worth undertaking. Inspired to commence your financial voyage? Embrace this moment of motivation. Take that initial, perhaps modest, step today. Each effort you make lays a brick on the path to your financial edifice. And remember, you're not treading this path solo. Share your journey's onset in the comments below. Your narrative could be the beacon that guides others to take their pivotal first step. Subscribe for ongoing insights and guidance on navigating your financial landscape and sculpting a prosperous future. Dive into our series for comprehensive tactics and wisdom. We're deeply grateful for your engagement and determination to enhance your financial life. Remember, true wealth transcends mere financial metrics. It encompasses freedom, choice, and the capacity to live a fulfilling, enriched life. Stay curious, stay motivated, and let's construct the life you've envisioned. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to accompanying you on your next steps in the upcoming videos.